Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to connect PS4 to Roku TV. Super easy, no tech skill needed. So, the things you need is PS4 console, Roku TV, HDMI cable, PS4 controller, power cable for PS4. Now, step 1 is locate HDMI ports. Check the back or side of your Roku TV for an available HDMI port, usually labeled HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3, etc. Now, step 2 is connect HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into your PS4's HDMI output. Plug the other end into an available HDMI port on your Roku TV. Now, step 3 is power up everything. Plug in your PS4 power cable and turn on the PS4 and turn on your Roku TV also. Step 4 is select HDMI input on Roku TV. On your Roku TV remote, press home button, scroll down and go to settings, then go to TV inputs, then choose the HDMI port where your PS4 is connected, or simply press the input or source button on your remote and select the correct HDMI port. Step 5. Set up PS4 display. Your PS4 screen should now show on your Roku TV. If not, double check the HDMI connection. Restart both PS4 and Roku TV. Make sure the TV is on the correct HDMI input. Step 6 is enjoy gaming. Now you are ready to play PS4 games on your Roku TV. Here is bonus tips for you. For best quality, use HDMI 2.0 cable. For sound issues, go to PS4 settings, then sound and screen, then audio output settings, and then if you want wireless audio, then connect PS4 controller, headphones, or Bluetooth devices. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.